Children, today we have to learn subject social science standard 9 chapter number 14. The name of the chapter is India's location, geological structure and the physiography 2. Now in this chapter we have to learn our today's topic is a rock. You know very well about the meaning of the rock. In Gujarati you have to say that rock, it means khadak. Now what is the meaning of the rock? Rock, it means a composite matter made up of one or more mineral is called as a rock. What is the meaning of the rock, dear children? Rock, it means a composite matter made up of one or more mineral is known as a rock. It means we can say that एक और एक से ज्यादा जो भी खनिज होते हैं वो खनिजों को हम जब संगठित करके जो पदार्थ बनता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? खड़क. खड़क, इट मीन्स रॉक. रॉक कैन बी हार्ड एज वेल एज द सॉफ्ट. Dear children, we know very well that the rock is hard as well as the soft is that. They can be porous or the non-porous. It means we can say that it is known as a porous. Porous, it means छिद्रालु. Non-porous, it means achidralu. And can be light and heavy. Some rocks are the light, it means they have a less weight, and some rocks have a heavy weight is there. Various types of the rocks are formed due to the different process, and that's why we can say that the different kind of the rocks is available due to the different kind of the process. Now rocks can be divided into three categories. Dear children, what happened there? Now we divide the rock into how many categories? In the three categories on the basis of the formation of the rock. Now which three categories there, dear children? First is a igneous rock, and that's why we can say in Gujarati Agneyi Khadako. Which one? Igneous rocks. Second one is a stratified rock. Stratified rocks, it means you can say in Gujarati the meaning prastar athwa nikshipt khadako. And third one you can say the metamorphic rock. Which one? Metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock, it means rupantarit khadako. These three are the category basis of the rock on the that formation. Which three one? First is a igneous one, second one is a stratified, and third one is a metamorphic rocks. Now dear children, we will see these charts and we have to study into the detail. Now first of all, we have here written the rocks. Rock, it means khada. Now this rocks is divided into three categories. Already we have learned. With three categories, first of all they have given about the igneous rocks. Second one is a stratified, and third one is a metamorphic rocks. Now in this also we have to divide into the first rock, igneous rocks, it is also known as Agneyi Khadako, into divided into two categories. Now with two categories, one is the intrusive. Which one? Intrusive. Intrusive, it means antrika. Second one is extrusive. Extrusive is means the bahya. Now intrusive is divided in two categories. One is a plutonic. One is a plutonic. Plutonic, it means antastha. Second one is a hypabeable. Second one is hypaceable. Hypaceable, it means middle way, madhyastha. Here now extrusive. Extrusive, it means bahya, is divided into the volcanic. Volcanic, it means the jwalamukhi. Now second rock is stratified. Second one is a stratified. Stratified, it means prastar athwa nikshipt khadako. Now stratified divided into three categories. One is a inorganic. One is a inorganic. Inorganic, it means khadak padartha nirmit. Second one is a chemically formed. Second one is a chemically. Chemically, it means rasayanik padarth nirmit. And third one is a organic. Third one is a organic. Organic, it means sendriya padarth nirmit. That is known as a organic. Now dear children, we divide the inorganic. Inorganic, it means khadak padarth nirmit into three categories. One is arenaceous. Arenaceous, it means retina khadako. Second one is argillaceous. Argillaceous, it means matina khadako. Third one is a conglomerate. Third one is a conglomerate. It is known as a conglomerate. Second one is a chemically formed. You know very well that rasayan. Third one is a organic. Now organic, it means the sendriya, is divided in two parts. One is a calcareous. Calcareous, it means chuna khadak patharo. And second is a carbonaceous. Carbonaceous, it means carbon yukta. Now Metamorphic is divided in two categories. One is the contact category and second one is the regional. Contact category, it is also known as the Sthanik Rupantar, that is known as the contact category. Second one is a regional. Regional, it means Pradeshik Rupantarit, that is known as this category is divided under the metamorphic. Now dear children, we study into the detail about them. First of all, about the ingenious rocks. It means we have to learn about the first in detail about the ingenious rock. Ingenious rock, it means Agneya Khadako. The intense heat in the interior of the earth is responsible for the formation of these rocks. Why this kind of the rocks is the form? This kind of the rocks is formed due to the intense heat in the interior of the earth. Where in the interior of the earth the intense heat is there, and that's why is responsible for the formation of this rock. The interior of the earth remain very hot due to this heat, and that's why we can say that here the interior of the earth remain very hot due to this heat. So the matter here is a semi-liquid state, and that's why we can say that here the semi-liquid state is there here, which is called as a magma, and that's why we can say that it is known as a magma. Why it is known as a magma? Because it remain hot in the interior of the earth. Eventually, when this magma cools down, when this magma cool down, rock are formed. When this magma cool down, then rock is formed. This rock are formed due to the effect of the heat. Hence, these are called as ingenious. What happened that here they have to say that these rock are formed due to the effect of the heat, dear children. Hence, these are called as ingenious, or you can say that Agneya rocks. In this formation of this crust of the earth, in this formation in the crust of the earth, this rock were formed earliest. So these are also called as a primary rocks, and that's why we can say this igneous rock is also known as a primary rocks. At many places of the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, southern peninsula in India, such kind of the rocks we have formed or we have to found. From where this kind of the rocks is formed, dear children, in India, the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, southern peninsula of India, these all have the form of this kind of the ingenious rocks. Now, ingenious rocks are the most solid of all the rocks. Which rock is the most solid of all the rocks, dear children? Then we can say that the ingenious rock are most solid of all the rocks. Granite is well known as the example of plutonic rock, and granite is the well known example of plutonic rocks. Basalt is also the types of the rocks, and that's why we can say that basalt is also the types of this rock. Now dear children, we have to learn about the second one, and that is known as a stratified rock. Second one is a stratified rocks. Stratified, it means prasthar athwa nikshipta khadako. Now what is the stratified rocks, dear children? Ingenious rocks are distinguished due to the collective effect of water and other forces. What happened that, dear children, here ingenious rocks are disintegrated, and that's why what happened that the collective effect of the water are other forces. These are also known as a sedimentary rocks. That's why we can say that it is known as a sedimentary rocks. Now these are also, we can say that this broken rock material is constantly deposited in water. What happened that, dear children, here whatever this broken rock material is there, this is deposited into the water and they form the layer. Thus the rock material is deposited into the different layer, and that's why what happened that this rock material is deposited into the different layer. The upper layer exerts the pressure over the layer underlying the rocks. Now what happened that upper layer done the pressure and exert the pressure over the layer underlying the rocks, which were formed initially and are lying at the bottom, and eventually this rock are formed with the different layer. These are called as stratified rocks, and that's why that is known as a stratified rock. It's the example are, we know very well about the gypsum. Gypsum, it means chirodi, you know very well about. Limestone, limestone, it means chunana khadako. Coal and gypsum are obtained from the Bihar and the Jharkhand state. Dear children, we know very well that coal and the gypsum we are obtaining from the Bihar and the Jharkhand states in India due to this certified rocks. Now third one, dear children, we have to learn about the metamorphic rocks. Which one? Metamorphic rocks. In the certain peculiar condition, peculiar condition, it means Vishishta Paristhiti. That time, what happened that the form of composite and other characteristic of rocks are totally changed. What happened that here the form of composite and other characteristic of rocks are totally changed. Due to the combined effect of two factors and the high temperature, the pressure of the rock of the strata and the igneous or sedimentary rock changes the totally new form. Now what happened that here the pressure of the rock of the strata, and that's why the igneous and sedimentary rock are changed in the totally in the new form, and this new form of the rock are known as a metamorphic rocks, and that's why the new form of the rock we can say that it is known as a metamorphic rocks. Now marble and quartzites are available in Rajasthan, and that's why we can say that whatever the marble you know about that marble, it means Aras Pahad, and second one is a quartzite is the best example of the Rajasthan we are found. Now next they have to given about the information of the minerals. Which one? Minerals. Now dear children, thank you.